How often do you follow up with your team, with your supplier and contractors for your projects? 2 to 3 hours every day. That's almost 20 hours of follow up. And even after that, projects are getting delayed, cost is getting escalated. To get a live status update is only a dream. But what if I tell you that you can save all of this time and get the work done on time, that too at the fraction of the cost? Sounds unbelievable? No, believe me. As a business owner, your job is not to do everything yourself, but to get the work done from your people. And for that, you need the right technology. Hi, I am Sanjeev Jain. Join me to unlock special technology to manage your projects, your inventory, and your production. On this 29th of January, Saturday, 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. To register now, please click on the link in the description, and I look forward to seeing you for an amazing session. Bye bye and take care.